Hey learners, welcome to the Nav Nerds. In this video, we will see how we can apply the date and time functions in the Power BI. So starting from making a new measure, let's find out today's date. I will use this function today only and then commit. This function will use to find out the today's date. Here it is today. From the format, I can change it to the short date. So that's today's date, 26 July 2026. And if I wanted to find out the current time, I have to make a new measure for it. I will use now function to find out the current time. And what's the difference between the both today and the now? Now shows the both time and the date, but today only show the current date only. I will also format it to only the only to showcase the time. And now let's see how we can fetch the date column in our data. I will create a new column for that. To find out the date from the order ID, I will simply have to apply the day formula. I will use sales order date. And here's I got the day only, the 10 and the 15. Now what will I do? I will create a new column. That's the measure. I will create a new column for the month to fetch the month only. The formulas are not too complex. These are easy to use and easy to remember. So I will again use the order date. And the last one, the year also, I have to fetch it. For year, it's also too simple. Oh, it's year. I will use years. No, I have to add in this. That's the year, month, and the day fetched from the order date separately. And what about the weekdays and the week number? So let's also create measure for them. Sorry, column for them. For the order date only, and the return type will be 1. As default, I will use Sunday as my starting day of the week, and then commit. If I add the WEEKNUM in this, don't summarize it as it's showing the week number. 10th January 2024, the week is 2nd, and for the 15th March 2024, the week is 11th. And what I can also add in this, the weekday of the date, the date will be same order date, and the return type, I will use Sunday as my starting day of the week. Here's it is. That's it. As the 10th January 2024, it's the second week and the fourth day in my week, which is Wednesday. And we will also see two more functions, which were date difference and the EDATE. Let's find out them. That's the date difference. The first date, I have to define the first date from which it will start calculating, and the second date till it will calculate. Also the interval, but I wanted to calculate the day or the month or the year. I will take the starting date as the same order date, and the end date will be today. I wanted to see the day of difference. How much days it's been from the 10th January 2024. Here's the date difference. I have to add in this. It's 928 days from the 10th January till today, and from the 15th Feb 892, 863 from the 15th March. I can calculate also the month. The 30, 29, 28, and the what's the year difference? It's showing 2. So that's how you can find out the date or the month or the year difference. And there's also a lot of timestamps here. We don't have only the 3, we have hour, minute, the quarter, second, week. So that's we can find out the difference between two. And let's also see what's the EDATE will do. start date. Let it be the order date only. I have written down the date, which is the sales order date, and the plus one, but it will denote the month, the count of the month. What it will do, it will shift the date by a specific number of months. I have defined here +1, so it will change the date in the ahead of 1 month. That's the EDATE year month. It has makes the future date column. The prior date is January. It's changed to Feb, and the Feb changed to March, and the March changed to April. And also what I can do, if I change to -1, it will reduce the month by 1. The January becomes the December, Feb becomes the January, and the March becomes the Feb. I have to define here the month. As this can be used in the contract renewal or the subscription end date or the payment due date. So that's the basics of the date function. We have seen the day, month, year, week number, weekday, the difference of the date, the EDATE. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.